And welcome once again to our channel. This is Crypto Bounty. Today we shall be going through the process of linking our withdrawal address to the Satoshi app in preparation for the withdrawal of OEX. So which wallet address are we to link? Where for those who already linked their MetaMask or their Trust wallet address to the Satoshi app, you can still make remedy or adjustment, because according to the instruction from the OEX, you must put the address from the OEX app. So if you have added address from MetaMask or Trust wallet or any Web3 wallet, simply import that wallet to your OEX app. I'm sure you should be able to do that. If you see a video on how to participate in the testnet, you will know how to import. But if you still find it difficult, let me know in the comment section of this box. I will make a very short video on how to import your wallet from one wallet to the other. So let us begin the process. So to link our withdrawal address, so you come here under me, click me. Now you are going to click here, this asset, the arrow, click it. It's going to open up all your assets. Now we scroll down to OEX. Now click the arrow, wait for it to load, and you are going to see link withdrawal address. So before you do that, go straight to your OEX app. Now if you check long testnet OEX, let us check. You can see if you click receive, you are going to see the address. If you change the network to core mainnet, and you also click OEX, if you also click receive again, you are going to see that the address is still the same. So any address you copy is the same. So the only one that is not available yet is the OEX mainnet, but the core mainnet and the OEX testnet, the address is the same. So once you copy this address, go back to your Satoshi app, then click link withdrawal address. When you click it, you are going to paste your address in the first box. Paste. Then after pasting your address, you are going to put your asset password. There's already a video on how to set up an asset password. So if you don't know how to do that, the link to that video will be in the description of this video. So let us input our password. So after inputting your password, the next thing you're going to do, you are going to click link withdrawal address. Then click confirm. Then an OTP will be sent to your email. So let us go to our email. We are in our email now. You can see the email. Open it, and you're going to see it. These are verification code. Copy it. Then go back to the Satoshi app. Then paste the code here. Once you paste the code, click confirm. Okay, now immediately after that, it will ask you to do verification, facial verification. Just follow the instructions. Click start verification, then click while using allow. While using this app, allow. Then place your face.
Position your face in the frame. Open your mouth.
Just follow the instructions.
Head down slowly. Lower your head down slowly. Wink.
So my verification is done, so you can see that's all. So for you to be sure that your verification is complete, just go back again, click the arrow here, go back, then click link withdrawal address again, paste your address again. This is the address. Now put your withdrawal password. Once you put your withdrawal password, click link OEX withdrawal address, click confirm, and then you can see, once you see this message, OEX withdrawal address link is successfully. That means you have been able to do that. So this is how to link your withdrawal address to your Satoshi app. So do this as soon as possible. 27th of April is the last day. It will come again your way next time. Remain blessed. Remain yours faithfully, Crypto Bounty.